Brrr. The days are getting colder, but the housing market is heating up. Details coming right up.
Are you ready? Let's go!
Welcome to this holiday edition of Real Estate on the Lam, bringing you the latest market information, some predictions, and a few other nuggets along the way. Hi, I'm Lambros Demos from Royal LePage, and for the fifth month in a row, we saw record home sales in the GTA, this time by an increase of over 24% from November 2019, as home buyers continue to take advantage of record low borrowing costs. This trend has continued over the first 2 weeks of December, so this month will almost certainly make it 6 months in a row of record home sales. We are seeing low inventory and bidding wars, not only in the GTA, but in areas as far as London, Niagara Falls, Barrie, Bowmanville. But hold your sleigh, because not all properties made the nice list. The COVID pandemic has created a dichotomous market. Looking at the chart above me, you can see that in the freehold and low-rise market, there was double-digit percentage increases in both sales volume and price appreciation, while many condo sellers, especially those in the 416 area, found coal in their stockings. Let's take a closer look at those condos. Here, you will clearly see how supply and demand has affected the condo market. In the last year, the number of available condos for sale jumped an incredible 194%. Demand, however, did not change. So this is why it is taking much longer to sell a condo than it was pre-COVID. And what happens when supply is high compared to demand? You guessed it, prices will come down. On this chart, you will see the effect of the oversupply of condos in Toronto. We are seeing similar trends in Mississauga and other 905 regions all around the GTA. So, why is this happening? Some possible reasons are, with the pandemic, buyers may not feel comfortable living in a high-density environment, sharing elevators, etc. 2, workplace changes. Toronto rental prices have fallen this year as people realize they can now move elsewhere for less and work from home more. 3, condo owners who bought for the sole purpose of renting out their units now find that it's harder to secure and keep good long-term tenants. With the pandemic, some landlords also ran into rent shortfalls. Combine this with a potential vacant home tax, and these landlords may have decided to cut their losses and sell. 4, new Airbnb rules and also other restrictions on short-term rentals have led investors to cool off on condos. And last but not least, immigration was way down in 2020, almost half of what was projected pre-pandemic. This contributed to lower demand for rental units and may reduce the number of first-time home buyers over the next few years. The other side of the coin is that this is a great time for condo buyers. There's far more supply to choose from, and interest rates are still at all-time lows. If you're thinking of getting to the market, now is certainly the time, because like everything else, it won't last. The COVID vaccine has started rolling out, so if all goes well and we move past this pandemic, then look for condos to be back in demand and prices to start moving back up. The Government of Canada plans to increase immigration over the next 3 years to make up for the current reductions. Their plan is to add over 1.2 million people in the next 3 years. To put things in perspective, let's take a look at prices overall over the last 2 years. In almost 24 months, prices have gone up 24%. That's over 1% per month. Put another way, if you bought an average house in the GTA in January 2019, you would be earning over $7,800 in equity every month. This is why I have been saying in my videos every month, it's a good time to buy. The longer you wait, the more you'll end up paying. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're planning to buy or sell, or just curious to know what's happening in your specific neighborhood, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'd love to hear from you and enjoy answering your questions. In the meantime, please like and share this video. And if you're watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button or follow me on Facebook and Instagram to get all the latest videos and market information. And finally, I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Please stay safe over the holidays and wishing you all a happy, safe, and prosperous New Year. Cheers.